So, warm welcome, kids. Now, you already know that about this chapter. So, now today I am going to share with you chapter's question answers. Okay, you can see here, and also you have to pay complete attention. Okay, with thoroughly understood. Now, let's see the first question. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? Yes, once one of my friends suffered from malaria. Let's see the question number two. How did they find out that they had malaria? It was found out by examining his blood. Okay, so it was found out by examining his blood. What problems did they have on having malaria? So answer is at times he used to suffer from with chills and rigors. He also becomes weak. Question number 4. What other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? Diseases like dengue, chikungunya, filaria, etc. are caused by mosquito bite. Question number 5. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? The answer is malaria is more common during the rainy season. This is because waterlogged and damp places provide suitable breeding environment for the mosquitoes. Now you can see the question number C. Question number 6. What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Also find out from your friends about what they do. So in my house as well as my friend's house, mosquitoes repellent devices and mosquito nets are used to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. Besides, we remain So remain vigilant that there should not be any water logging in our surroundings. We also keep our coolers, pots, etc. clean. Question number 7. Look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? You can see this report. Okay, so here it is clearly mentioned in the report that malaria parasite has been found in blood sample of the patient. Okay, let's see the next. This one, question number 8. Here given report. Look at this blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. So question number 2. How much did Arthi's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? So first question, let's see the first answer of this question. Minimum hemoglobin requirement is 12 gram. Okay, let's see the next question. How much did Arthi's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Arthi's hemoglobin increased by 2.5 gram till IE around 30 Celsius in about 3 months. Okay, let's see the next question. What does the newspaper report say about the problems caused by anemia? So, the answer is newspaper report tells that anemia is affecting both physical as well as mental health of the children suffering from it. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. So this also affects their ability to study properly. Let's see the next question. Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? Let's see the question number. Answer number 4. Yes, last year I had got a blood test done and it was because doctors feared that I might be suffering from anemia. Let's see the next question. What was found out by the blood test? Let's see the answer number 5. It was found out that I was suffering from anemia. Let's see the next question. Have you had a health checkup in your school and what did the doctor tell you? So the answer is yes, last month we have had a health checkup in our school. The doctor told me that I'm healthy. Okay, let's see the question number 9. Ask a Dr. Elders about the food items which contain iron. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, apple, jaggery, liver, nuts, pulses, etc. contain ample amount of iron. Okay, so find out and tell. Have you seen any poster like this put up anywhere? Yes, such posters are put up near my school. Let's see the question number 11. Who do you think puts up such posters or gives ads in the newspapers? So the government would have been putting up such posters and giving information in the newspaper. What are some of the important points given in the poster? So in the poster it has been warned to remain alert about the mosquitoes because they can spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Some precautionary measures are also advised to keep off mosquitoes. So question number 13. Why do you think pictures of a tank, cooler and pits are shown in the poster? Because these are the stuff where breeding of mosquitoes can take place if they are waterlogged or are not cleaned up regularly. Question number 14. Why do you think it talks about putting fish in the tank? What do you think the fish eats? So, fishes eat of mosquito larvae that have been developing in the water. What will happen when oil is spread on the water? So, when oil is spread on water, the eggs and larvae of mosquitoes growing there will be killed. Question number 16. Which diseases are spread by flies and how? Flies spread dysentery, cholera, typhoid, anthrax, etc. So now, flies are easily attracted by filth. They used to sit on dirty and filthy matters. Again, when these sit upon the food, microbes are mixed into the food. From there, these can enter human body. Let's see the mosquito check question number 17. You can see here tank, school ground, gutter. You can see the next one. Since how many days has water collected there? For almost 8 days, water has been collected there. Who is responsible for keeping these places clean? So, within the school premises, it is the responsibility of a school authority, while outside the school, the local municipality is responsible for the same. Who is supposed to get the gutters and drains repaired? So the local municipality is responsible to get the gutters and drains repaired. Can any larvae be seen in the collected water? Yes, the larvae of mosquito can easily be seen in the collected water. Has it caused any problem in the area? Right. Yes, it is causing many problems and the entire area is turned into a mess and breeding place of mosquito and germs. You can see the next one. In your group, make a poster with a message to keep the cooler, tank, drains and the area clean wherever water collects. Put up your poster in and around your school. This is the drawing project. Students are advised to draw the poster is directed. Poster as directed. Again, this is a drawing project. Students are advised to draw the poster as directed. Question number 24. Find out who is responsible for keeping the area around your school clean. Write a letter from your class reporting your findings and suggestions. Find out to whom the letter should be written and to which office it should be sent. So the local municipality is responsible for keeping the area around our school clean. So the letter should be addressed to the letter should be addressed to the mayor and be sent to the local municipal corporation office. Letter to the mentioned municipality. So to the Mayor Municipal Corporation of Delhi, New Delhi. Subject request for better cleanliness around Sarvodaya Vidyalaya Lakshmi Nagar. You have to mention your school name here, all of you. Okay. Respected sir, through this letter, we the students of Sarvodaya Vidyalaya Lakshmi Nagar want to bring into your notice about the filth and garbage collected around our school. The lots of dogs are gathered around it. Last week, heavy rains have only aggravated the situation. The drains and the pits are waterlogged and became the breeding ground of mosquitoes and germs. Okay, so remember that this one Sarvodaya Vidyalaya Lakshmi Nagar. Instead of this school name, you have to completely fill your name here. Okay, fill your school name, not your name, school name. Okay, so but in this subject you have to write same as well as given here. Request for better cleanliness around, not Sarvodaya Vidyalaya Lakshmi Nagar. You have to write down your school name. So, respected sir, through this letter with the students of Sarvodaya Vidyalaya Lakshmi Nagar want to bring into your notice about the filth and garbage collected around our school. The lots of dogs are gathered around it last week. Heavy rains have only aggravated the situation. The drains and pits are waterlogged and became the breeding ground of mosquitoes and germs. So we request you to clean the area as soon as possible before it affects the health of people. Yours sincerely, students of class 5th, like your school name. Okay? Let's see the question number 25. Is there a pond of river around your house or school? Go and look around and observe these things. Can you see a lake in a can you see? Okay, so next here, go and look around and observe this thing. Can you see algae in our around the water? Yes, I can see algae in or around the water. Where else have you seen algae? We saw it near drain, hand pump, or on dam falls, etc. Are there plants growing on the side or in water? Find out their names. Draw some of these in your notebook. Yes, there are some small plants growing around the side or in the water bodies. These are liver, words, mosses, etc. You can see the next question. Do you think these were planted by someone or did they grow on their own? These grew on their own. What else can you see in water? Make a list. Besides algae, small fishes, frogs, larvae, floating insects, and mosquito are also being spotted. What can you do so that mosquitoes do not breed in your house, school, and neighborhood? This can be done by not allowing the area around us to get waterlogged, regularly cleaning the coolers and water tanks, spraying DDT and oil in drains, pits, etc., cultivating facilities nearby ditches, pits, ponds, etc. How can you find out if someone has malaria? If malaria parasites are found in blood sample of that person, it means he or she has malaria. Otherwise, not. Got it completely, all of you? Now you have to completely write down these question answer in your book only. Okay, not in notebook. And also, many times I told you, if you have any query regarding any subject which I have mentioned here, so please send email immediately. Okay, I will definitely solve your queries. Okay, all of you. So thank